Hello students, today we will continue chapter 6, that is applying styles and effects. In our previous class we have discussed about how we can insert word art, and today we will learn how we can create a text box. A text box is a placeholder where you can enter any text. You can use text box to manipulate text and give a new graphical effects. You can move the text along with its contents anywhere in the document. Fine. So for this, first we will go to insert tab. Here in the text group we will find various option. Out of these various option we will click on text box. There are few built-in text box, and if you find anyone suitable for you, you can choose any one of these. And if you want to draw your own text box, then you have to click on this option and a plus sign will appear, and you can just drag the cursor and the text box will be there. Fine. And you can write anything on that. First I am just increasing the font size, and after this also you can increase the size of the text box. Okay, and increase the font size and do the editing part whichever you want to do here. Next is working with shapes. If you want to draw any shape like star, banners, call out, circle, triangle, anything, these all you can make in MS Word also. For that, first you need to go to insert tab. Here in the illustrations group you will find various options like picture, clip art, shapes, smart art, chart and screenshot. So you have to click on the drop down button of shapes and you will find various options here like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equations, flowchart, stars and banners, call out, like this. And you can choose any one of these. Here I am choosing this one, and you will get a plus sign and just drag the mouse cursor and the shape will be formed. You can also change the color of this particular shape as per your need and want, and you can change its outline. You can change the shape effect, its reflection, glow, like this. Now after this you can also place a text box in the shape. You have two options from where you can insert the text box. One from the insert tab here, and another from the format tab where you can insert any text box and write anything you want above the shape. Okay. And you can also edit anything that you have added. You can change the color of the font. I will just increase the size so that you can easily see the difference. From the format option you can change the color of this text and style as well. It's according to you that how you want to edit the particular text above the shape you have drawn. Students, you can draw various drawing As I have drawn one house and sun with the help of various shapes here, like triangle, rectangle, square, oval, and there are many more shapes like clouds also. If I want to make a cloud here, I can make it like this, and later on I can choose any color to color it. And if I don't want this color, this built-in color, I can also change the color according to myself. See, and you can also edit the size of this shapes, and if you want to add anything, any text, you can write here with the help of this text box. Fine.